In this video, I'll give you a walkthrough of my LCD speedometer gauge. This is still a prototype, but most of the core functionality is complete. The bottom indicator are fully customizable. You can configure them based on your machine's specific needs. I'm building a setup page where you can choose which component to display. To keep the wiring simple, all input wires will use the same color. You'll assign each wire's function in the software. For example, if you choose the high beam icon, you can link it to your high beam input. When you turn it on, the display responds with the correct symbols. The system also includes a voltmeter to monitor your charging system. When the machine is running, the voltage should read between 13.7 and 14.7 volts. Green text equal charging properly, yellow undercharging, red voltage too low to maintain charging. You'll also be able to switch between kilometers per hour and mile per hour. And there's a field to calculate your wheel circumference. While some systems may support this, it's not common, especially on smaller machines. With this option, you can override the defaults and get an accurate speed reading even after changing tire size. There's still a few things left to build and test, such as the odometer. I also plan to offer multiple screens layout to suit different user preferences. If you have any feedback or idea, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Eventually, this will be available as a plug-and-play unit, making installation simple for most users. I've built this entire project myself, from the electronics to programming, enclosure design, 3D print, and the interface. The next step is to design a custom PCB to reduce the size and move closer to the production-ready version. If you're interested in how I build this from scratch, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make more behind-the-scenes videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment.